Hello everyone. Today our topic is Doctrine of Lapse. So in the earlier topic we discussed about the subsidiary alliance, which was a practice of the British to annex the Indian territories. In the same way, this is the Doctrine of Lapse. This is also a policy how the British used to annex the territories. So let's try to understand what this topic is all about. Now, coming to the introduction part, we can see that the doctrine of lapse was a policy implemented by the British East India Company under Governor General Lord Dalhousie to annex Indian princely states. It was a policy which says that any Indian princely states under the British sovereignty would be annexed if the ruler died without a natural heir. Okay. So the adopted heirs were not recognized by the British in this policy. Why it was important for the British? The British wanted to expand their territory by annexing princely states. Annexed territories provided plenty of resources, army, and strategic advantages like stationing of the army. The British could directly rule the annexed states rather than simply ruling indirectly via princely states, which sometimes caused many hindrances in the administration. Now, the impact on India means the policy caused a huge impact in India. The first impact is that it created a lot of problem for the Indian people, as people were more loyal and freer with the local kings rather than the British. Also, it contributed to the revolt of 1857. Example, Rani Lakshmibai, whose state was annexed under this doctrine. It became key figure in the rebellion fighting to reclaim their territories. This policy also eroded trust between the British and the Indian princely states, making diplomacy more and more difficult. So, in conclusion, we can conclude that the doctrine of lapse was a British policy to expand territorial control by exploiting succession disputes in Indian princely states. This policy succeeded in annexing several states. It backfired by alienating Indian rulers and subjects, contributing to revolt of 1857. So gradually, people lost their trust on British and headed towards independence more and more. So with this, our topic ends. So